Are you sure? Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Peppa Pig is a red banana.
Peppa Pig is a red banana.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a blue monkey.
Rebecca Rabbit is a blue monkey.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red pig.
Peppa Pig is a red pig.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a happy pumpkin.
Danny Dog is a happy pumpkin.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers.
Keep going, you've almost won a sticker. Well done, you've won a sticker. Are you sure?
Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 red crackers. Polly wants more.
Keep going, you've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants 4 red crackers.
Well done, you've won a sticker.
Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bedroom. Try again. Try the bedroom. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try again. Try again. Try again. Try the garden. You've found her. Polly, where are you? Where could she be? Where could she be? Where could she be? Try again. Try again. Is she hiding in the bedroom? Where could she be? You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Where could she be? Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found Polly. Polly, where are you? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Candy Cat, Zoe Zebra. Candy Cat, Zoe Zebra. Zoe Zebra. Super! Candy Cat, that's right. Mrs. Duck, super! Well done, you've won a sticker. Well done, you matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Well done! You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done! You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15. Well done! You've won a sticker. Well done! You're very good at counting. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. That looks lovely. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here.